What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Wick the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, we pick crazy new pearls, we shoot them over top, and we try to create cool new interesting colors. And you guys get to decide, rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. And no opinion's wrong, we all have one. But today I have a pretty cool one. I have gloss black, which is always a really good neutral color when you're spraying a chameleon pearl, and that's what we're doing. And we got a new gray that just come out, Thundercloud High Gloss Gray. So it's really close to smoke gray, probably a little bit lighter. So it's going to get a really good contrast between the smoke gray all the way to the black. And what kind of pearl are we going to spray out? Well, today I decided to go a little bit tropical. We have a teal Colorshift pearl. Shifts from green to blue to maybe even some yellows. So I think it's going to be a really cool spray out. But I got my fender prep behind me, like always. Sanded down with 600 and cleaned really good with prep all. So we're going to get the two-tone in it real quick, and then we'll get to spraying some pearls. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our gray and black two-tone, looks pretty cool. And today we're using our Speedo Coat Clear. As you know, we've switched over to this clear, and it's actually a really good quality clear. And if you want to buy the clear, the pearls, the paint guns, anything I use on this channel, check the link in the description as seen on YouTube. Click it, it goes to my Amazon storefront. You can buy stuff there. The channel gets a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Prime and everything else. So this clear mix is 4 to 1. I'm using a medium temp reducer because it's about 70 degrees today. And like I said, we got 4 parts, 4 ounces of clear. I'm gonna put an ounce of activator in it real quick. And we'll add the pearl in. Now, this pearl is part of one of the chameleon sets I have. I was going to use this pearl on some of the spray outs, but I haven't done it on this channel yet, simply because some of the pearls we used for a video where we did a pearl bomb on a roof. So I bought another set and we're back in business. So like I said, this is Teal. This is 5 grams. I'm going to just spritz a little bit in the mix. Not going to go too awful crazy, maybe half a gram. And I'll mix it up, bring you guys in close so you guys can see the mix. Alright guys, so here's the mix. Teal Colorshift, and it does exactly what you think it probably do. Greens, blues, maybe even a little bit of hint of darker blues, and even maybe a yellow at certain angles. But there's only one true way to find out. Let's load up our gun, let's spray it on our panel, and let's see how everything sprays out. Alright guys, so as always, I'm shooting my Vevor gun today. You want to keep your pearls agitated in the mix so they don't start clumping, especially with chameleon pearls. This is a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI, that's wide open trigger. And you can replicate my settings if you want, but I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to introducing this first with a light coat, just so we make sure we don't get any reactions. And then we'll probably do 2 to 3 coats, and then we'll see what she turns out like. guys, so this is the spray out today. Thundercloud Gray, Gloss Black, and a really cool Teal Colorshift pearl. Now, I'm sure I probably showed pretty good in the footage, but man, this thing looks really cool over both colors. It shifts from green to blue and has that real tropical look. So I'm really happy with the way everything turned out today. But ultimately, it ain't up to me, guys. It's up to you guys. Rate it 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. I really had a lot of fun today. I hope you enjoyed the spray out. If you liked it, then hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like and comment so that we can continue to grow. And hey, I'll keep doing spray outs. But if you want to buy anything you saw on today, the pearl, that really cool teal pearl, or my paint guns, or anything, guys, the clear, links in the description, as seen on YouTube. And hey, you can support the channel there. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.